we're doing a beach day, except it's winter and 32 degrees Fahrenheit. My cameraman gets to give me 3 dares throughout the day, and for every dare I don't complete, he pours ice cold water on my head. This is ice cold water. What else do we need for a beach day? American football, towel, beach ball, sunscreen, and of course, peanut butter jelly sandwiches. Peanut butter jelly.
Josef,
What's up?
I dare you to eat 10 mixed Sundays.
10 mixed Sundays, bro?
Yeah, 10.
All right, let's go. 10 mixed Sundays, please.
10 mixed Sundays.
So as nice as the summer weather is, I did put on a jacket to eat these mixed Sundays. I hate you, Kenshi. You know what would supplement this perfectly? My pre-workout from NutriFit. Okay, I don't have a sponsor. All around me are familiar. Kenshi, bro, I've got 4.5. There's no chance I'm finishing 10. I think it's a bit ambitious. Will you count it, bro?
If you eat the 5th one, I'll count it.
All right. Done. That's actually pretty nasty in the morning, but let's keep going.
Scene change.
For my male audience. Hey, you're looking pretty cute. It's great weather, isn't it? Yo, bro, fetch!
Sitting there, I became introspective. It's just not the same being at the beach in the winter when there's no one there. I felt alone and really cold.
Josef,
Yo.
I dare you to go swimming.
The first time I went ice bathing was about 2 years ago. A friend hit me up at like 10 p.m. and was like, yo, let's go ice bathing tomorrow. Coincidentally, it was the coldest day in Berlin since 100 years. So that was a fun Thursday before work. Anyways, let's go. I'll take the microphone off. Ice. Check it out, I'm starting to get a sunburn. This is so dumb. That was a solid swim, let's keep it going. Bro, I'm gonna make myself a tea right now.
Before you do this,
What's
I
up?
dare you to do 100 push-ups.
Yeah, okay.
On the balcony, in underwear. It's very cold here. I'm glad I have my tea here.
Subscribe. All right.